Optoma EH412STx review. 4,000 lumens of portable power. Worth it, or just overhyped? Ever felt like your business presentations or classroom sessions are stuck in the Stone Age? You know the drill: dim projectors, washed out slides, awkward installations that take forever, and tech so clunky you feel like tossing it out the window. You're not alone. Whether you're a teacher, manager, or just someone who values crisp visuals, outdated projectors drain your focus, waste your time, and frankly, embarrass you in front of your audience. No one wants to be that person fumbling with connections, battling glare, or praying the screen's even visible. Tired of underperforming tech ruining your pitch? Same here. But it doesn't have to be this way. Now, let's crank that frustration up. Imagine prepping for a major pitch or critical lesson, only to face crushing disappointment when your content looks faded and lifeless. Students zone out, clients lose interest, and you feel the pressure mounting. Your energy drains fast, and every failure to deliver your message stings harder. Missed deadlines, lost deals, disengaged audiences, it's not just inconvenient, it's career-threatening. That outdated projector? It's not just a tool, it's a roadblock sabotaging your success. Sound extreme? Sure. But when your visuals don't impress, neither do you. Isn't it time to stop risking your reputation? Enter the Optoma EH412STx short throw, 1080p HDR professional projector, a true game changer for classrooms, meeting rooms, and small spaces alike. Packing a searing 4,000 lumens of brightness, 1080p full HD resolution, and 4K HDR input support, this portable beast is designed to turn every wall into a crisp, vivid stage. The short-throw lens projects a massive 120-inch image from just 4.5 feet, giving you cinematic quality even in tight rooms. Built-in speakers, versatile connectivity, HDMI, USB, RS-232, and ultra-long 15,000-hour lamp life? Check, check, and check. It's not just another projector, it's your secret weapon. What does all this mean for you? Clearer visuals. Brighter rooms. Zero hassle. No more squinting at blurry slides or losing engagement mid-meeting. With professional-grade sRGB and Rec. 709 color profiles, the EH412STx delivers images that pop, whether you're streaming video, sharing spreadsheets, or pitching your next big idea. Plug-and-play simplicity paired with robust construction makes it ideal for both permanent installs and mobile setups. Want better presentations, fewer headaches, and a professional edge? This projector delivers. Watch our video, see the brilliance, and imagine transforming every session into a showstopper. Ready to level up? So here's the deal. Stock on the Optoma EH412STx is tight, and it's no surprise why. Thousands have already swapped their tired old projectors for this powerhouse, and demand's skyrocketing. Want brighter presentations, killer visuals, and a stress-free setup? Act now. Click the link. Buy today. Limited stock. Serious demand. Don't let outdated tech ruin another presentation. Secure your EH412STx and join thousands who've already turned their classrooms and boardrooms into projection perfection. Time's ticking. Seize this upgrade, or stay stuck. Your choice.